Hi, today we are going to see demo for Farmer EC PHP web application. First we will open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Next click on the MySQL admin. Left side you can able to see the backend database on these tables. Next we will open the Visual Studio. First explore the form folder, then you can view the addressing files. And then it's our source code. Then click on the readme text. Here you can view the login details and web application URL link. Then copy to paste the link. Copy the URL link, then paste to the browser. Now we can view the Form EC web application. It's have two roles, admin and farmer. First go to the admin role. Enter the email ID and password. Then login into the admin homepage. Now we can view the admin homepage. It's have a various modules. First go to the categories. Here you can create a new crop categories and then update or delete the categories. Let's go to the crop info. Here you can create a new crop informations. So enter the name, then select the categories, then give the crop details. Next we will go to the view crops. Here you can view the crops and the details, and then it will be update or delete. Then go to the add news. Here you can post the day by day farming news on this page. Then go to the view news. Here you can view the all news and you can delete. Then go to the add agree office. Here you can add a new agree offices on this page. Go to the view agree office. Here you can see the all agree office data on this page, and then you can update or delete. Then go to the feedback. Here you can view the user feedback. Next we will move for the farmer. Click on the farmer role. Enter the email ID and password. Now you can view the farmer homepage. First go to the new complaint. Here you can raise our farming complaint. So enter the crop name, then type, then correct duration, then soil type. Next raise a complaint. Then write the symptoms. Now complaint created successfully. Let's go to the my complaint. Here you can view our complaint status on this page, and then you can view the complaint solutions. Next go to the find crops. Here you can view the all category of crops. Then click on the all crops. Here you can view the crop and the details. Then go to the agri office. Here you can view the all agri office and then search your location. You can find our nearby agri office. Then click on the news. Here you can view the day by day agri newses. Then click on the feedback. Here you can share our feedback on this page. Then if you need any help, go to the helpline and then contact to admin. Farmer after the raise complaint, admin can view the complaints. So go to the complaint and then you can view the complaints on this page, and then click on the solution, then update the complaint status. then you can give the solution. That's the whole former is the PHP web application.